nervous.
Yeah, we know something you don't know.
No way, she's not down in her lab.
Where is she?
And I'm about to air this place out, Mia, where you at?
What do you want? She's over there.
Oh, she's up there.
Sandra, stand here.
Hey, Mia.
What's that?
Come down here.
Why?
We have very crazy news, let's just say that.
Something to tell you, Mia, yeah. Something very, very important.
Big news.
Okay.
So, you know how we've all been friends for the last few years, right?
Some of us have been friends.
What do you mean?
Let's just put her in the chair. Shove her in the chair. Tie her down.
Jeez, stop. I don't want to sit here.
Block her up.
God, I don't think it's working.
Get in the chair, get in the chair.
We're gonna have to use brute force.
No, I don't want to.
Mia, I said get in the chair.
Get in the chair, Mia.
Gee, please.
Get in the chair, Mia, or else Shady will shoot.
That's enough. I'm just gonna reveal it.
Oh.
Look at me.
Oh gosh.
I can't bear to see you guys fight over this.
Who's that?
We have a new girl in the group.